So let's have a walk with me. I'm in the forest area. So I want to ask you one question, and the question is little different. It may disturb you, but it's a very powerful question. Do you want to die with regrets in your heart, or you want to live life fully? You know, as per like a lot of research has been done. So when people reach at their end of life, so when they are like they know they don't have much time in life, and they have been asked what are the regrets you have in your life, क्या ज़िंदगी में आपके regrets हैं? So there are these regrets people have. The first regret people have, that the dreams they never lived. That's the first regret people have. Second regret people have, that the time they never spent with the family. That's the second regret. Third regret they have, the fear they allow to hold them back, to stop them, to achieve them, to become the kind of person they wanted to become in the life. So the first regret is never acted on the dream. Second regret, like time did not spend with the family. And third regret, the fear. You could be saying, yeah, so how does it matter? Life is very busy. I don't have time to think all those things. Yeah, it's okay. But what if you have only 10 years to live? What if you have only 1 year to live? What if you have 1 month to live? What if you have 1 day to live? What you will do? These questions are not to answer anybody. These questions are not to impress anybody. And certainly these questions are not to make any logic. Sometimes you have to come out of the logic. Sometimes you have to go from your logic to your intuition, which is your heart, to your soul, which is you as a person, as a energy, as a conscious person. If you can decide right now, or you can go deep and think that you want to live fully, or you want to live like 97% people are living, and they will die with regrets. And you and we are going to die one day, no doubt about it. Right? So, how you want to die? I want to die with zero regret in my heart. I want to live fully. I want to express myself. I want to express my talent. I want to become as much as successful possible in this human life, and I want to impact as many people life. I want to touch as many people life possible by doing what I do, by helping people to become successful in their life, growing their sales, writing as many as book possible, creating as much as content possible. Like right now I'm creating content, not for you, for me also. And yes, I have a big dream in my life to open an orphan center for street kids, for children. You know, I live in Delhi, so I'm telling you one Delhi experience. There's a uh, there's a one adoption center in Delhi Dwarka. I go there to just to give some charity amount. So the guard is there, जो वहाँ पे guard बैठते हैं. He told me वो वहाँ पे 15 साल से काम कर रहे हैं. He said आप यकीन नहीं करेंगे साहब जी. He said कई बार हमारे यहाँ पे रात में 4-4 बजे 5-5 बजे रात को 11-11 2-2 बजे यहाँ पे लोग रात में अपने बच्चे को छोड़ जाते हैं, गेट के बाहर छोड़ चले जाते हैं. एंड ही सेड हमारे पास चूँकि सोर्सेज हैं, रिसोर्सेज हैं, तो कई बार हम बच्चों को डस्टबिन से उठा के लेके आते हैं. और ये सर्दियों की बात है, जैसे दिसंबर और जनवरी, ऐसी ठंड की ये कहानी है. जस्ट इमेजिन किस तरह का ये कल्चर है. एक बच्चा जो संसार में आया है और उसको लोगों ने छोड़ दिया. ऐसे कितने बच्चे हैं इस संसार में. आई नो आप बोलेगा हाँ उससे मुझे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. फ़र्क पड़ता है सर. जब आप अपने माइंड को शांत करके अपने हार्ट और सोल से सवाल पूछोगे तो फ़र्क पड़ेगा। अगर माइंड से पूछते रहोगे तो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि माइंड कहता है मैं और मेरा, मी एंड माई फैमिली एंड माई वाइफ, और मेरे बच्चे, मैं और मेरे बच्चे, मेरी वाइफ। ये ज़िंदगी नहीं है, ये तो केवल टाइम पास करना है। आई एम सॉरी, मेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड। ज़िंदगी वो है जब आपने अपने टैलेंट से, अपने पैसों से, अपने सक्सेस से कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट किया दैट इवन व्हेन यू एंड वी आर नॉट हियर, it is something meaningful. So I have big dream that I want to run an orphan center for every single street kid in India, not only Delhi, every single street kid in India. He should have able to get proper educations. The child work labor policy has to be stopped. Actually, government is working a lot. The lot of sexual what do you say, sexual abusement happen for a child in our country, whether the girl child or a boy child. I'm totally against it. I want to save every single child जिसके साथ में ये हो रहा है. And for that I need you. You and we can make it happen. Yes, I have a one business, one community. उससे हम लोग जो चैरिटी अमाउंट करते हैं, I pay that amount. But I want to take it in a very large way. And that's only possible when we are totally coming out from this scarcity mindset and coming to the abundance mindset. And that's the thing. So this is the goal, not mind goal, it's the soul goal, right? So if you want to live fully, then ask this question जो मैंने आपसे पूछे, to your soul, and believe me, you will not be हो सकता है आपको लगे यार पता नहीं क्या बात कर रहे हैं, but it work. And yes, in this world we all measure our success with the money. Let me tell you about my life. I will tell you some other video, but I just want to give a hint. When I started looking back in my life, going deep in my life, asking the question to myself, then whatever we need in life, money, time, health, feelingness of happy and contentment, all these things have multiplied. My income has multiplied. My time freedom has multiplied. I'm able to travel like right now I'm doing. And I'm traveling and I'm doing my business also. I'm running online massive business growth intensive for 2 days, right? So everything has changed. Not because I have become very talented. Yes, of course I have become valuable. But the thing which made a difference in my life is I stopped being in the rat race. And I start listening to what I want, who am I, why I'm here, and is there any reason to be here. And of course every human being has a reason to be here, whether you realize it or not, that's your choice, but we have a reason. And all I want to say, my friend, your success matter, your life matter, and your success matter because you are going to make a difference in so many people's life. But that's only possible when you are successful, when you're not worried about paying your bills, when you're not worrying about paying your rent, your car EMIs, or when you're not comparing yourself from other people, when you are truly honest to yourself and you are overcoming your bad habits, your intentions, bad behaviors. And everything is possible if you connect yourself to a spiritual power, to God, and ask this question to yourself. And yes, I'm going to live my dream to run at that orphan center. But if you join me on that, it would be a great journey together. Thank you very much. If you like it, you can subscribe the channel. Yes, by profession, I'm India's leading sales coach. I help people to achieve their full potential with my unique way of light, camera, action philosophy. I help people to grow their cash flow by selling more, being authentic. That's what I do. If you want to know more about myself, just explore, click on the link and you will find. Thank you very much. This is the Nadi Dal Lake, and it's done now. So all the best. Take care.